'Tis the season to be jolly. Not just jolly, it is the season for hot chocolate, cakes, marshmallows, and of course, Christmas movies. I am Ocean Grace Daniel, and I am here with Anjali Mathai, and we are big fans of Christmas movies. Today, we will be listing out 10 movies that we like and 10 movies that are a must watch during this Christmas season. What is that Christmas movie that you keep watching every year?
Okay, so my all-time favorite Christmas movie is this movie called While You Were Sleeping. It's Sandra Bullock starrer. I think it's 1995. It's amazing. It's got this wonderful Christmas scene where there's it's a white Christmas with snow, and she goes into this room where her boyfriend's family is sitting, and there's all kinds of Christmas meals, and they're joking over the meal, and they're sharing presents, and there's even a kiss under the mistletoe, so that's like the complete package. So that's like my all-time. Every year I keep watching it over and over again. I never grow tired of it. So.
I think even I look for romance in these Christmas movies. That subtle, very gentle romance, not a big making out or anything, but a subtle romance. So when it comes to romance, this year on Netflix there was a movie called Christmas Airdrop.
Oh.
And that is based on the US Air Force tradition of dropping presents to islands that are isolated and they don't get a lot of supply and gifts and all that. So this also has like an element of romance in it. It's about this girl who works for a congresswoman, and then she goes to this base where the air marshals work, and initially she goes to find flaws in this base to try to shut down that base, and finally ends up falling in love with that the captain over there. And this is also set up in a Christmas background, but a tropical Christmas, not a white snowy Christmas. Okay. So minus the hot chocolate, marshmallows, just a tropical Christmas on the beach.
Perfect, sounds awesome.
What's your next pick?
So my next pick is again not exactly a romance, but it's a family story. It's called Little Women. I'm sure most of you have you must have read the book or watched the movie. Yeah. It's a recent release. I think it got 4 Oscar nominations. It's a family story of these 4 women who grow up in a very poor background, and then this really rich guy comes and lives next to them, and obviously he falls in love with one of the sisters, but that sister doesn't like him back, and another sister likes him, so there's all these complications, but it's got that warm Christmassy feel to it, so I think it's a definite must watch, and you should watch it, yeah.
Alright, another movie I think all of us don't miss out on watching is Home Alone.
Oh yeah, Home, you can't miss that one.
I know, and Home Alone turned 30 this year, like the first movie. It was released in 1990 and it turned 30 this year. And that's like one movie that I keep watching every year. I like the first 2 movies actually, but the movies that came after, the Home Alone 3 and 4, not so much as the first 2 ones.
And I think it's so difficult for me to imagine that little boy all grown up now 30 years later. Yeah. For me, in my mind, he's still like very young and 10-year-old boy.
And all those pranks that he played on the thieves, that's like, and sometimes I feel like I remember all the dialogues, like, and we use it, like when in office also sometimes I use the dialogues like, hey. So that's one movie that is a must watch for everybody, and that goes for all ages, not just children but everybody.
Yeah. So I have another movie that's not just for children, although it's typically a children's movie. That's Polar Express.
Yes.
Yeah, that you have to watch it. It creates that wonder of Christmas that many people lose when they grow up, but this movie really revives it in a way that you watch it and you're like, oh my god, yeah, that's what Christmas is all about. It's about this young boy who boards this train to North Pole to meet Santa Claus, and then how his faith is in the end revived, and so I love that movie.
Yeah, I think Polar Express is like almost synonymous to this season. And another one I think is Christmas Chronicles. I don't know whether you've heard of it. So there are two movies now in the series of Christmas Chronicles. One, the same concept of meeting Santa Claus. I think most of the movies revolve around that. Probably it's a wish or just going to the North Pole and meeting Santa Claus. So Christmas Chronicles is also about two children, two siblings meeting Santa Claus, and I think in the first movie it's about how they help Santa Claus deliver presents, and in the second movie there's more of family and the importance of family, and again Santa Claus and his wife Mrs. Claus, sorry, is also in the movie. So that's another movie that I enjoyed watching. What's your next pick?
My next pick would be, oh yeah, this is one movie. It's the first time I watched this movie in a drive-in theater. It was in Secunderabad. It was when I was very young. So it's a very old movie. It's called Jingle All the Way. It's one of those Arnold Schwarzenegger movies which is not in his non-macho, non-Terminator look, and it suits him so well. I wish he had done more movies like that. But it's about him going and his chemistry with his son, who he never meets, and finally his son asks him for a Turbo Man toy for his Christmas, and Arnold Schwarzenegger searches everywhere for this toy, and he finds one toy in this one shop. There's only one toy remaining, and there's his other father who's also competing for that one Turbo Man toy. So it's all about this competition between the two fathers, and so it's a good funny watch. It's a fun watch actually. Yeah.
I think they remade the movie
did they?
this year. It was released on Netflix, and the same concept of a toy store and a toy maker.
Okay.
Yeah. Another movie that I grew up watching, like in my teenage years, I was into this princess stories.
Yeah.
And not exactly the fantasy, like the fictional princess and in a dreamland and all that, but normal girls turning into a princess with the dream of becoming a princess, meeting a prince accidentally and becoming a princess for Christmas or whatever.
Yeah.
So with that comes Christmas Inheritance. So that is also a movie that I grew up watching. Again, there's a subtle romance, and it's all set up in the Christmas season.
Yeah.
And it's a white Christmas and royal Christmas. So
Perfect.
there's a ball and things like that, and that sort of fascinates me, the ball gown
Yeah,
and everything, meeting the prince,
Yeah.
and then again kissing under the mistletoe. So all these things I think very I think it's inbuilt inside of us that we have to see all these elements in a Christmas movie.
Yeah.
The mistletoe, the tree, the hot chocolate, the marshmallows and everything. But I think more and more creators are trying to break from that convention and create tropical Christmas and like Christmas for laymen and things like that. So I think there are a lot of creators now who are making new Christmas movies,
Yeah.
and Hallmark does not lack any Christmas movie. I think most of the Hallmark movies are set around Christmas. So
Is that because why is it that romance and Christmases are so intertwined together? I don't know. I mean, why is it that?
I
is it
think
because
it's
during-
a season of cheer and giving. So in that giving comes love also, and everybody's just happy, I think, and that whole ambience is set for like it's a romantic ambience.
Right.
The lights,
Right.
the sale,
Right.
and people get to buy new clothes. I think the
Yeah.
new clothes and the charm
Yeah.
around that.
Yeah.
So probably that, and again, you go towards the end of the year, and you want to start a new chapter.
Yeah,
The next.
especially this year. You just wait for the next chapter to
I
start.
know, I hope. Everything just calms down by the end of this year, and we have a fresh start in 2021. So these are the movies that we will be watching again this Christmas season. Let us know in the comment section what are your favorites, and we'll be back again with more Christmas information, Christmas movies and much more. Until then, bye and cheers.